Good morning, York Rangers. This is Miss Santana with your Women's History Month. We are going to talk about International Women's Day. Here we go.
March 8th is International Women's Day. It's a day to honor women everywhere in the world, recognize their many achievements, and think about the special challenges they face. From Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Prize winner ever, to Oprah Winfrey, one of the most successful business leaders in the world, women have achieved success in every walk of life. But it was not always that way. A little over 100 years ago, in 1908, 15,000 courageous women marched in New York City demanding better jobs, fair pay, and voting rights. That's right, women were not even allowed to vote. Some working women got the idea for a special day to talk about women's rights, and in 1911, the first International Women's Day was celebrated. The United Nations supported the idea in 1975 with an International Women's Year, and since then, many countries have joined in by recognizing March 8th as a special day to honor women's advancement, while remembering to help women gain equality in all areas of life. Today, there are female astronauts and sports legends, politicians, and scientists, but we still have a long way to go in making sure all girls in the world can have a happy future and can fulfill their potential. On March 8th every year, thousands of events are held throughout the world to celebrate women. In the United States, there are parades, celebrations, and community events that honor women. The U.S. also honors the entirety of March as Women's History Month. What woman do you most admire and why?
Awesome. Now, let's remember that every single year, starting from 1975, they always chose a theme for the year for women. So this year, the hashtag is Choose to Challenge. Challenge the inequality that you see around you. But in order for us to be able to challenge, we first have to dare to ask questions. So here we go.
Why have there been so many male presidents, so few women?
Why is it so difficult for mums to get back to work after having kids?
Why is it that millions of women still have no access to technology?
I know, right? Why do you think of a pilot as a man and a flight attendant as a woman?
Tell me about it.
Can someone really earn more just because of their gender?
Don't worry, baby. I'm coming to you.
Why are almost all the superheroes men?
Cut!
And why do I only get to be the love interest?
Tell me, why?
I have no idea.
All right. Have a great day, Rangers, and remember, choose to challenge.